Want to change a fake name. I know I was Balingit. J-Rick and I, we just talk about surnames or middle name. Oh, like I said before, middle names, surnames. Oh, for me, I don't want to be Fajardo. I want to be Balingit because um, I know Tito Mac is Balingit. Oh, everyone are Balingit. You remember Nanay Adeling, Magdalena Balingit? Oh, because Balingit is a Filipino. Oh, for example, the surname is Makalintal is the name of Nanay Banji. Oh, that's a real name. For example, Nanay Ningning o Anna Balingit Kirchenberg. That was my mom's half sister, Nanay Ningning. She is married to the German named Uncle Jurgen. While her name there is Kirchenberg. Oh, just like I said, what if I remember Balingit? Oh, I said this is my surname. I'm no longer to be Pajardo because I said that Balingit. Why Balingit? Of course I'm Balingit. When I say to teacher May Tiborcio, oh, my surname there, Balingit. Oh, Balingit. But I changed my Facebook name, Balingit. Alright. Thank you. I'm not making enemies in social media. I said we have to change the name, our real name. Oh, just like I was told by teacher Vincent Ramos, you have to change your name. Oh, for example, the name and there and anyway, you should change Balingit. While he told me don't change Balingit Chang or Balingit is that Barkawi because it's really a fake name. So you need to change your real name in Facebook, Balingit. That's why, I know my name anyway, my real name, my real identity. Oh, you need to change. You do not, for example, you change your name. Oh, for me, it's not really good. What about Yvette? Oh, Crystal Dulce Jurado. Dulce, that was her name, or middle name. Because Dulce, that was her surname. Oh, may balingit. That was my surname. So, we have to change our name anyway. Balingit, Makalintal, Duterte. Duterte are Filipino name, but I don't care about Marcos. Marcos are not Filipino. They are fake Filipinos. But the Dutertes are Filipinos. Oh, like me, Balingit are Filipino. Makalintal are Filipino. Oh, we have to be Filipino. As we are Filipinos, we have to change the name. My middle name, Balingit. It's simple. Oh, what about the middle name? Oh, I mentioned by Jerick Silva, the middle name of Bill Galang. Bill. Oh, Bill William Henry Bill Galang. Oh, because Galang is a Filipino surname. For example, Manolo or Manalo. Manalo is a surname of Jose Manalo. Even the name of Ate Nenet. Oh, because Manalo is a Filipino surname. We have to remember about the Filipino surname. Just like when I was told by Jerick Silva, we should still remember the Filipino surname. That's all.